how perception changes result. Our perception many times is responsible for whatever result one achieves. This may sound very interesting, that how perception is responsible for result. Because if we analyze what perception is and how it affects the input, sometimes if you do something with absolutely free mind, open mind, crystal clear mind, then whatever you do it without any preconceived notions and without any prejudices. So what happens? Whatever you do, your perception makes you diverted to different areas. Doubts, whether it will happen or not, whether it is right or wrong. You are not sure of it. And there are many dilemmas. So, perception is very important for any input, type of input, quality of input, and that's why the result is reciprocal accordingly. So now we should understand what should we do for this type of perception. So perception is a way, a sort of prejudiced mind. Prejudice can be of either side, whether positive or negative, because perception is the result of experiences, study, observations, and all these things are relative. They are relative for that time, that situation, that man behind machine. And when it affects the effort, then that effort brings results accordingly. So best thing is to do anything without any preconceived notions or prejudices, or without any doubts, without any dilemmas. So, how to overcome that? How to do that? How to overcome that dilemma? How to overcome prejudices? Now we should understand that how to do it. Because when you know something which is not definite, but if and buts are there, doubts are there, then it definitely affects your effort, your input. So the best way to overcome that lies in the secret that these reasons, these causes, these factors are responsible for some stresses, for some experiences. So if we do something without any hesitation, then our effort input will be very good. So what stops us in doing that type of effort? That is what perception is responsible of. So to go beyond these things, if one eliminates all those stresses, what is affecting our perception, then our perception will become that productive perception, or will go beyond perception, or we will understand perceptions rightly in all references. So we will not permit it to affect our efforts. So to go beyond that, what is necessary? Necessary is to eliminate all those stresses which are associated with it. And how to do it? Then we should decide how to do it. Meditation. Meditation is the process which eliminates all stresses. And when all stresses are eliminated, then whatever result we get after very good frequent meditation, all the stresses are gone, and our conscious mind, our subconscious mind, it becomes free. It becomes free of all prejudices, all doubts, all stresses. And when mind becomes free from stresses, from doubts, from dilemmas, then it becomes very clear. And meditation is the only method to eliminate it, because there is no other method. No medicine can cure your stresses. It may ask you, it may push you towards sleep or towards disconnection from your conscious mind for a while, but it is not the solution. Meditation is the process which takes you to transcendental value, and that transcendental value is responsible. When you take deep in that, your stresses goes forever. So when your stresses are gone, your doubts goes away, because doubt is the result of those experiences what we had, and that is responsible to create hesitations and dilemmas or doubts in anything what we are going to do. So the best thing is, when we do anything, we go to achieve anything, we should have a free mind, crystal clear mind. And to attain that level, meditation is very, very necessary. Because when we do meditation regularly, frequently, and in a very disciplined manner, then all these things, all negative values, they go away. We get rid of all those stress, strain, guilts, complexes, and our mind becomes very clear. Subconscious mind, conscious mind, and all layers of our memory, all levels of our experiences, every day becomes clearer and clean. Then we are capable of doing anything with full potential. Then our full potential is involved without any deviation in anything what we do. And when our input is perfect, input is 100%, then output has to be 100%. Output has to be totality, in totality. So this is a secret to achieve very good result if we do anything without any prejudices. Without any prejudices, without any doubts. So when we go beyond that, then whatever you do, it gives you full result, full accomplishment, full attainment.